Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a shortcut for shutdown in Windows 11. For this, all you need to right click on the free space on the desktop and select here new option and then shortcut. In the box, you need to type shutdown space slash s space slash t and then type time. Suppose you want to immediately shut down your PC, then type 0, or you can adjust this one 0 according to your needs. Then click on this one next button, name it as shutdown or whatever you want, and then click on this one finish button. Once done, you can shut down your PC by double clicking on this. In case you want to change this one icon, right click on this one shortcut option, then select properties option, then select shortcut tab here, click on this one change icon button, click OK. In case you see an error, select a desired icon for your shutdown shortcut, then click on this one OK button, click on apply, click on OK, and this is now your shutdown desktop shortcut. In case you want to pin it, you can right click and select this one pin to a start. Otherwise, click on this one show more options, and here you will find pin to a start and pin to taskbar option. Select your desired action to pin it, and now I can shut down my PC through this one desktop shortcut icon that is pinned to my taskbar. Like this, you can customize shutdown icon on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.